Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see sensitive content on Twitter using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to log in your Twitter account on any browser that you are using, because the options for sensitive content on Twitter application is not yet available. So just go ahead and open your browser, search for twitter.com, and log in your account. Okay, so now I want you to click on your profile photo at the upper left corner of your screen. You want to scroll down until you see settings and support. Click on that and click on settings and privacy. Now you want to click on privacy and safety and click on content you see. So now here at the upper part of the content you see section, you can see the display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you want to enable this option, you want to click on the box at the right side of it. And that's it. That is how you see sensitive content on Twitter using your iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.